For now, we will stick with 3 seconds in, 3 seconds out. And that's the core of the Victorious Ujjayi breath, synchronizing it in and out. The second step is, as you breathe in silence, you breathe out and contract the back of your throat with your mouth closed. And then you're going to contract it and then replicate the ocean sound. This breath is also known as the ocean sounding breathing technique, because when you breathe out, contracting the back of the throat, we replicate the ocean sound. But it's very, very important that you perform the breathing out almost in silence,